pepper mango pickle. Following are the ingredients needed to prepare this particular pickle. I have taken 2 spoons of mustard, 2 spoons of fenugreek, around 50 grams of black pepper, around 2 spoons of cumin seed, little turmeric powder, salt to taste, and asafoetida. Again, I have taken around 100 grams of ginger sliced, around 1 cup of gingerly oil. You can use, instead of gingerly oil or coconut oil or any other oil, but usually in Kerala gingerly oil is used for pickle preparation. And again another 3/4 quarter of garlic sliced. Again I have taken around 1.5 kg of mango sliced. Now let us see how we prepare this pepper mango pickle. First, you have to fry this mustard, fenugreek, pepper and cumin seed. All these 4 items should be fried together without oil, and through a mixie you have to grind it thinly. That's the first step. Now my pan is preheated and now we shall fry this spices masala. Once it is fried, we will allow it to cool down and then grind it in a mixie and keep it aside. Now we will just leave it to cool down and keep it aside. Now we will first add this garlic. This garlic item is optional. Those who are not interested need not mix garlic towards it, but I am doing it because it gives me a different flavor. Now we will add this ginger. Now we will wait for a few minutes so that everything gets cooked properly. I am adding little more gingerly oil. My ginger and garlic has been roasted to some extent. Now we will add this mango pieces towards it. We will just mix it properly and see that our mango has been also roasted to some extent. We will add little water, just little water. Now we will add first this turmeric powder, asafoetida and salt. When I was telling you regarding the ingredients, 2 items I have just missed to add along with this, and now I am adding along with. That is, one is little curry leaves should be added, and the other one is little vinegar, so that it gives an added taste to it. So that too I am going to add finally. Now towards this we are going to add this spices masala which is already grinded. Good flavor is coming out from the pickle. It's really tasty, and it's curd rice. It will suit superbly rather than any other pickle. And to some extent, this particular pickle is to some extent Ayurvedic style also, because we are adding not red chilies, we are adding black pepper. So it gives an added taste to it. Now finally we'll add this vinegar. And it is, to some extent, the pickle won't get spoiled also if you add little vinegar. We'll just shift it to a serving bowl. Pepper mango pickle is ready. इधर mango pepper pickle दोनों एक ही है. So this is a typical Kerala item, this particular pickle, because Kerala is a spices hub in India. So here the people prepare this particular pepper pickle. So I hope everybody went through this particular recipe and enjoyed the video. Thank you.